de-limbed and whatnot. You don't have to win any fashion contests, you just got to function. Just doing one of my easy knots, because why not? Just a simple loop over. Let's see. That's all I need. Alright. Could look a little better, could look a little worse, but hey. As long as it's working and it holds, and if the rest can go down to the ground where the bucket's going to sit, I'm alright with that. Cool. Alright, let's go get some water. Alrighty. She may not be the best looking thing ever, but as long as she holds. Basically the idea is if a cop stops or a ranger stops and says, hey, we have a high fire ban, I can just say, yes sir, here's my bucket of water. I just got a quick release pull knot and I can just douse it on the fire. And hopefully they'll be like, oh, okay, that's good, thanks. So, and I have a place up here where I can hang stuff, like my hat, if I want to, or a shirt to dry or whatever. But I think she looks alright. I'm about to build one of these at Forest Camp. Kind of wish I had my 5-gallon bucket, because I would have filled it up, probably 4 gallons of water, just on the ready to dump. So yep, ready to go. Splush. But at least I have that much. And like I said, I'm going to keep my fire small, so get all my firewood, which you can see from the car, to get my fire going. And then I've got this with all this lichen. It should go up like, which I've actually burned before. It should go up like crazy. It's actually that much right there. I'll probably get my fire going. I tossed some sticks on. Maybe I break down one of these larger pieces of my axe, which I may not even need because I've got these. I don't know if you can see them, but right there, I have all these ones I already broke down from my last trip. I just threw them in the car. It was probably more than enough to get my fire going. So I'm gonna sit back down. You might be thinking, wait a minute, I thought you had your flex chair. I do. It's over at Camp 2 because that's over where it's over sitting by the riverbank. So I have two camps. I basically have cooking camp, which is here, which the majority of my stuff is located. And then the other camp is where my tent is, which is Camp 2, which is about 80-90 yards that way because I don't want to sleep where I'm going to be cooking. So I don't know what the bear situation on this side is. And I saw the people over there and I was going to ask and I forgot. So I'm not really that worried about it because I didn't see any paw prints in the loose dirt nor scat. But still, I'll just keep food way over here and then sleep way over there. Plus I didn't want to haul my firewood all the way over there and I wouldn't have to haul my stuff all the way over there. So yeah, I was being lazy. I have a second chair, third chair really. I get this stool I got my feet up on. No reason you can't be comfortable. I should recline this chair. This chair actually reclines back, but the only downside to being here is it's closer to the road. And I actually see someone across the river. They're a bright blue pickup truck, and they towed a trailer in. Which I think there's an outhouse over there too. So if I had to do the deuce, I could maybe run over there in my car and then take care of business. So I might walk out to the road and kind of show you around a little bit. Probably in a little while here. But I really don't have anything going on now. I don't have any projects. I got all the firewood I need. I mean, cutting firewood is really would be easy. But here comes the breeze. That breeze is just, that makes it all so much nicer. Alright, so if anything interesting comes up, I'll turn the camera back on. If not, well, we'll see. A lot of bugs, a lot of flies. But, yeah, what are you gonna do?